I love this idea that we can learn from nature in each place and that it's not a one size fits all solution that we can just replicate endlessly and kind of force our boxy designs into every corner of the world.
That's right. That's exactly right. And in fact, I think it's one of the mistakes that a lot of the even the progressive sort of alternative solutions that are out there, they build it and then immediately ask the question, well, how do we scale this, right? Like,
Yeah.
how do we make this available to everybody around the world? You don't, right? Like, you simply don't. You need to think about what is the local version of that look like. That's what you can scale. So for example, there's this German company called Zelfo, and what they designed is brilliant. It's basically like if you've ever worked in a clay studio, and the slab rollers, where it's like a big metal roller, and you push the clay through and it rolls out this perfect beautiful slab, and then you can build with the slab. And what theirs is a version of that. It's small, but it takes any cellulose waste product, right? So corn husks or the bottom of broccoli stalks or whatever, it doesn't matter. Hay fields, and it runs it through a press, very low energy. And then because of the way they designed it, the cellulose essentially binds and bonds together. So what comes out the other end is sheet goods for building materials. Like you get like a piece of plywood, if you will, a plywood substitute. And so their technology is something that can be locally attuned, right? It's not like they designed it and they perfected it for hay only, and then you can only feed hay into it. But no, any community anywhere, like think about like post hurricane, you could bring in one of these units, all of this dead biomass which has fallen from the trees or whatever, and they're trying to figure out what to do. And most of the times they pile it up and burn it, right? It was awful. So at a minimum, it ought to be composted so that you have soil, or you run it and feed it through this machine. And now suddenly you have the building blocks to rebuild the community, right? To rebuild the city. So that's how we have to be thinking about, all of these solutions that we need is the version of scaling must include a locally attuned component, right? Like that's one of the life's principles. In fact, nature is locally attuned and responsive, and there's no pandemic species, that is, except for humans, that lives on every planet or every continent and acts and behaves in exactly the same way. But yet we think we can take a McDonald's and yeah, they might serve mango juice in the Philippines instead of orange juice, but like it's still the same cookie cutter thing.